In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Gmail to Claude AI step by step. This is a really useful setup if you want Claude to help you work with your email more efficiently, save time, and keep everything in one place. If you want more easy software tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's jump right in. First, open the Claude Desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your name or profile icon. This opens up your account options. From that menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the left sidebar and find the section called Connectors. Click on Connectors, and this is where Claude lets you link different apps and services to your account. Now you should see Gmail listed as one of the available connectors. Click Connect next to Gmail. Claude will ask you to confirm that you want to continue, so click Connect again to move forward. At this point, you'll be redirected to the Gmail or Google sign-in page. Here, choose the Google account you want to connect to Claude. Make sure it's the correct account, especially if you use more than one Gmail address. After selecting the account, you'll need to confirm the authorization request. Review the permissions carefully, then allow access so Claude can connect to Gmail properly. This step is what makes the integration work, so don't skip it. Once authorization is complete, you'll be sent back to Claude automatically. That means the Gmail connector is now linked and ready to use. You can go back into your Claude workspace and start using the connection for your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully connected Gmail to Claude AI. It only takes a minute once you know where to click, and it can make your productivity much easier. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step AI and software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.